Hello, welcome to VirtualX MasterClass, where education meets excellence. This is Series 1, Episode 7 on Mathematics Revision from November 2022, Paper 1. We are going to look at Question 1.4, determining the values of x and y if 3 raised to the power of y plus 1 divided by 32 is equal to the square root of 96 raised to the power x. Enjoy this journey to empowerment and inspiration. Step 1. Begin with the equation, where the quantity of 3 raised to the power of y plus 1 divided by 32 is equal to the square root of 96 raised to the power x. Step 2. Rewrite 96 as 3 times 32, and then express that in powers of 2 and 3 to make the comparison easier. Step 3. Notice how the powers of 3 and the powers of 2 can be equated on each side, because the bases must be the same for the equation to hold true. Step 4. From the powers of 3, we can quickly find that y plus 1 equals x over 2. From here, we get our first relationship between x and y. Step 5. Moving to the powers of 2, we can deduce that negative 5 equals 5 halves times x, which allows us to solve for x directly. Step 6. Solving the equation gives us x equals negative 2. Step 7. Plug the value of x back into our first relationship to find y. We get y plus 1 equals negative 1. Step 8. Solving for y gives us y equals negative 2. And there we have it. The solution to question 1.4 is x equals negative 2 and y equals negative 2. Thank you for engaging with this lesson. Our exploration into the world of mathematics doesn't end here. To watch more lessons like this one, kindly join our community by subscribing to VirtualX MasterClass. Your journey of excellence continues with us. Until next time, stay inspired, stay motivated, and above all, keep advancing.